And the problem is where do you find it? All the branches and moss and grass here are just soaking wet. I got these 2 dry pieces of wood I found in the shelter. So I need to chop them down and make them into kindling and keep that kindling bone dry. Each dry piece of wood I'm gonna lay over here where it's nice and dry. Another great fire starter is charcoal, but this stuff's soaking wet, so we're gonna dry it out. There you go, that works real good. Also use your stove to dry out other pieces of wood.